going to be reading One Day in the Eucalyptus Tree by Daniel Bernstrom, with the publisher being HarperCollins Children. And you guys probably noticed that I have this weird stick with me. It's not just a stick though, it's called a nature wand, because this story is interactive. If you want to make it interactive, you can pick up a kit with all your tools that you need to make it interactive from the Peoria Public Library. With each of these kits, there'll come instructions on what you should do. But just in case you haven't read them, here's what you're going to do. Anytime I say the words eucalyptus tree, you're going to pick up your nature wand and wave it like so. So eucalyptus tree. Okay? Anytime I say the word toy, you're going to pick up your toy and make it be a whirly-twirly toy, so that it spins. Anytime I say the word belly, dark and deep, you're going to cover your eyes and peek through them. And every time I say the word gobble, and I hear this sound, then I'm going to go gobble, like that. Okay? So let's begin. One Day in the Eucalyptus Tree by Daniel Bernstrom. One day, in the leaves of the eucalyptus tree, hung a scare in the air, where no eyes could see. When along skipped a boy with a whirly-twirly toy, to the shade of the eucalyptus tree. Down, down slid the snake from the leaves of the tree, and gobbled up the boy with his whirly-twirly toy. "I'll bet," said the boy in the belly dark and deep, "that you're still very hungry and there's more you can eat." "Do you think," said the snake to the boy with the toy, "that there's room for something yummy with you inside my tummy?" "Chip, chip," came a chirp from the leaves of the tree. "Oh, a bird with a worm in a game of hide and seek." Sneaky, slidey dipped the snake from his place in the leaves, and gobbled up the bird and her ooey gooey worm. One day in the eucalyptus tree. "I'll bet," said the boy in the belly dark and deep, "that you're still very hungry. There's more you can eat." "Purr, purr," came a stir from the leaves of the tree. "Oh, a cat in a nap on his furry back." Under over slid the snake from his place in the leaves and gobbled up the cat in his dozy, cozy nap. One day in the eucalyptus tree. "Oh, surely, very surely, Mr. Snake," said the boy, "there is room, still more room, so much more to enjoy." Crinkle, wrinkle, came a rustle from the leaves of the tree. "Oh, a sloth cloaked in moss, sipping leafy tea." Wiggle, waggle, stretched the snake from his place in the leaves, and gobbled up the sloth, clothed in fuzzy, fuzzy moss. One day in the eucalyptus tree. "I'll bet," said the boy in the belly dark and deep, "that you're still very hungry and there's more you can eat." Slip, came a belch from the leaves of the tree. "Oh, an ape eating grapes, lounging like a queen." Twist, did the snake from his place in the leaves, and gobbled up the ape and her munchy bunch of grapes. One day in the eucalyptus tree. "Oh, surely, very surely, Mr. Snake," said the boy, "there is room, still more room, so much more to enjoy." Munch, munch, came a crunch from the leaves of the tree. Oh, a rare kind of bear munching tasty, tasty greens. Up, up, snaked the snake from his place in the leaves and gobbled. Up the bear with the qually wally hair. One day in the eucalyptus tree. Do you think, asked the snake to the boy with the toy, I should take one more bite while my tummy feels so tight? Oh, surely, very surely, Mr. Snake, said the boy. There is room, so much room. Go ahead, please enjoy. Buzz, buzz, hummed a noise from the leaves of the tree. Oh, a hive full of bees dancing happily. Creaky, eeky, inched the snake from his place in the leaves and gobbled. Ah! Of the hives and the bumbling bees inside. One day in the eucalyptus tree. I'll bet, said the boy, in the belly dark and deep, that you're still very hungry, that there's more you can eat. No, said the snake. Oh, surely, very surely, Mr. Snake, said the boy. There is room, still more room. No, said the snake. Something small? Asked the boy. Sniff, sniff, hissed the snake from his place in the leaves. Oh, a fruit, a small fruit, swaying in the breeze. And on that piece of fruit, that plummy, chummy fruit, was a teeny, tiny fly. Ching! Gulp. Go, go, came a blow from the belly, deep and full. Bread, 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 blah. Out whizzed the fly, out rolled the fruit, out buzzed the hive, out ran the bear, out swung the ape, out slunk the sloth, out dashed the cat, out flew the bird, out slimed the worm, and out skipped the boy with his whirly-twirly toy. And oh, moaned the snake, I've a crummy tummy ache. One day in the eucalyptus tree. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and that was One Day in the Eucalyptus Tree by Daniel Bernstrom. And you can pick up your kits to make this story interactive. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.